Wildwood Cemetery, where the neighbors are very, very quiet. Ding dong, ding dong. You in there, boss? Ready to go? And where a cab driver has come to pick up his favorite fare. So, where are we going and who's dead? The aquarium, and no one's dead, I hope. Ellen called and asked me to join her there, said it was urgent. What could be urgent at an aquarium? An attack by a bunch of masked sushi chefs? We'll find out when we get there. I always thought aquariums were kinda creepy. Everyone I was ever in had a snack bar that sold fish sandwiches. That's weird. Isn't it? It's like if you don't perform well, you wind up on a bun covered with tartar sauce. Life's like that at times.